Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just made or created this pattern yesterday. Made a video, and a couple people thought it was cool, and then I thought there's probably not a better in my book, a better reason to use the clone tool or something, and this might be one of them. So we've got our segment. If you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch part one first. But I'm going to go to edit, I'm going to go to clone, and I'm going to clone this guy, and I'm going to move it over. This is going to be our clone. This is our object. So I'm going to hit Control D. I'm going to Control D now with this one, and I'm going to move it over till it snaps to, and then I can Control D to my heart's content. And this is still our clone, and that's the reason I left it by itself, because then you could use it as and not make a duplicate of it anymore. So we're just going to snap to this and make quite a few. And then, because yesterday I made one with color. So if you would ever want to make one, and if you've gone through all this work to get it perfect, now if we would take this and go, I want that to be yellow. Look at that, all the tops are yellow. I want this to be blue. I want this top to be brown. I want that little square right there to be red. I mean, you wouldn't use these colors. And then I think we got one more we can change is right there, and we can make it pink. So everything you do to your clone, it does it to all these graphics. So you could go with that and save that and still change the whole pattern again to completely different looking things. And not only that, you get to see it in real time, what it's going to look like. Anyway, that's the clone tool. It's underneath your edit. It's underneath your edit tool, and it's a pretty useful tool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for